So something you might want to keep in your tool bag is a chip repair kit. These are real cheap at any parts store. I got a chip up here. I'm about to put it into practice and stop it from expanding before it's too late. Okay, there we go. Now I'll do it. Okay. Seems to be working pretty well so far. I'll go ahead and go over the instructions. The first step, I'll just show you. Alright, currently there is a clear square on there. Oh, there it is. Look at that. So I'm going to let it sit on there for a while. It's maybe I'll pull it around in the sun, make it cure faster. The first step was clean out any glass in the hole. Cleared out. The second step was put the tab on there. Third step, peeled the top part. Fourth step, put that base on the pedestal. Fifth step was put the resin in. Sixth step was suck any air out. See. Yep, that seventh step was suck all the air out. The eighth step was insert the resin. So we'd push the plunger down, pushing all that resin into the cracks. Let's see, the ninth step was peel that part off. 10th step was put that square on. See, there's that square that I have on there right now, and that's what step I'm on. So the 11th step would let it sit for 15 minutes in direct sunlight or for an hour. And then once it finishes, I'm going to go ahead and pull it off and use a razor to clean it up.